Hey guys, I'm Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to use Shopify for affiliate marketing, a step-by-step tutorial. Alright, so now here we are in a Shopify affiliate program website right here. So in order for you to get here, you can just do the easy way, go into Google, go for Shopify affiliate program, and then click on the first link right here if you don't want to type out this URL right here. So once you're here, it's very easy actually. You just need to click on apply now. But if you'd like to learn more about Shopify affiliate program, then you can just scroll down and watch some videos or maybe read something about it so that you'd have more knowledge about it. So once you're done, then you can click on apply now right here. And then it's very easy actually because the process would only take 5 minutes to complete. So that is very easy. And all you have to do after that is just wait for 3 business days right here. So you can click on sign up now. And then from here, you need to agree to the Shopify contract terms. So you can read this so that you'd be able to know the terms right here. But in my case, I'll just go for accept for the sake of the tutorial. And let's just go click on Google right here. Let's log in using Google and right here. And let me just continue right here. And now we should be logged in into that. So we'll be answering the next questions. So right here. So you would need to provide your first name, last name, email address, mobile number right here. So